What if your genes are not your destiny? What if your thoughts, habits, and environment could actually turn genes on or off? This is the powerful science of epigenetics. In this video, you will discover how your lifestyle choices can influence your genes and how you can take control of your future in ways you never imagined. What is epigenetics? Epigenetics is the study of how your behaviors and environment affect how your genes work. It does not change your DNA. Instead, it changes how your genes are expressed. Think of your DNA as a book. Epigenetics decides which pages are read. How epigenetics works. Your body uses chemical signals to turn genes on or off. These signals are influenced by your lifestyle, your environment, your experiences. This means your daily actions can shape how your genes behave. What affects your genes? Several factors can influence gene expression: diet and nutrition, stress levels, sleep quality, physical activity, exposure to toxins, emotional experiences. Your lifestyle is constantly communicating with your genes. Epigenetics and mental health. Your environment can impact your mental health through gene expression. For example, chronic stress can activate negative gene patterns. Positive environments can support healthy brain function. This shows that mental health is not only genetic, it is also influenced by life experiences. Can you change your genetic expression? Yes, and this is the most powerful part. You cannot change your DNA, but you can influence how it behaves. Healthy habits can help activate beneficial genes and suppress harmful ones. Epigenetics and daily life. Every choice you make sends signals to your body. When you exercise, you activate positive gene expression. When you sleep well, your body repairs itself. When you manage stress, your brain functions better. You are shaping your biology every single day. Why epigenetics matters. Epigenetics gives you control. It shows that you are not limited by your genes. Your actions, habits, and environment play a huge role in your future. To summarize, your genes may set the foundation, but your lifestyle writes the story. Understanding epigenetics helps you realize that change is always possible. You have more control over your mind and body than you think.